New details now in a Target 12 investigation contract controversy. We're hearing from the governor after 2 days of hearings at the State House where lawmakers grilled state officials about why the McKee administration awarded a lucrative contract agreement to a newly established consulting firm with political connections.
Target 12 investigator Tim White is here now with the latest details.
The House Oversight Committee spent nearly 3 hours last night questioning the process that ended with the company ILO Group being awarded up to $5.2 million.
I don't think you did anything illegal. Do I think it was some bad judgment? I got to tell you, yeah, I do.
After 2 days of scrutiny by lawmakers at the State House, Governor Dan McKee on Thursday defending the contract to ILO Group.
If anybody's listening, the procedures were followed.
McKee was touring schools with ILO officials who did not answer questions.
I think it was clear that we presented a clear case that the procurement process was followed.
As Target 12 first revealed, the state awarded ILO an education consulting contract partly to help reopen schools during the pandemic. ILO is run by former employees of a nonprofit led by the governor's longtime ally, Mike McKee.
The business that they got in consultation with the governor's office, which was clearly an interested party.
Lawmakers expressed concern that the McKee administration was too cozy with the company that ultimately won the taxpayer-funded contract.
That's what we see, and that's what the people of Rhode Island who we report to see, and it smells really, really bad.
State Rep Jason Knight asked the chief legal counsel for the Department of Administration about emails obtained by Target 12 that showed the McKee administration was tracking the bidding process closely.
Without knowing more and seeing the emails and the context, I'm afraid that I can't further comment on those emails.
Okay, and it's fair to say, I know you work for the governor, but you work for the governor under certain guardrails that I've already talked about of good faith, and your ultimate duty is one of good faith service to the public. I mean, if the governor told you to go out and shoplift some ho-hos and a Diet Coke while he's at a fundraiser, you would say no, because that would be illegal. I cannot do that, correct?
That's correct.
So there are limits to what the governor can direct you to do.
Now, some lawmakers asked for the Attorney General to investigate this matter. In an email, AG Peter Nerona declined to say if they are investigating, but said generally an undisclosed conflict of interest does not rise to a criminal probe. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, 12 News.